truck enthusiasts and 3D artists. Today we're showcasing an essential piece for your heavy-duty projects. The Holmes 850 record system, meticulously modeled for robust tandem trucks. With 56,000 optimized polygons, we've captured every functional detail of this legendary towing equipment that dominated highways for decades. What makes this model special is its perfect balance of technical precision and creative versatility. Complete wrecker system with movable components. PBR Materials, including diamond plate metal and industrial plastics. Clean topology ready to integrate with your truck models. Material-based mesh organization for hassle-free texturing. This Holmes 850 is designed for simulator modders seeking vintage authenticity, 3D artists creating historical industrial scenes, game developers needing production-ready assets, classic equipment collectors, available now via links in the description. This model is more than a product. It's a tool to bring your creative visions to life. We want to know, what other classic industrial equipment would you like to see recreated at this detail level? A dump system? Vintage construction machinery? Your suggestions could inspire our next releases. If you find this content valuable, please like this video and share your ideas in the comments. Every interaction helps us develop more quality resources for the community. Now tell us, how will you use this Holmes 850 in your projects? Will you pair it with a classic Mac? Create a 1960s garage scene? Because in 3D modeling, it's these authentic elements that transform good projects into exceptional work. With this Holmes 850 equipment, you have everything needed to take your creations to the next level.